Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play along of What Was I Made For, which was performed by Billie Eilish for the Barbie movie in the summer of 2023. It's an absolutely haunting song, beautiful melody, unbelievable performance, and it ends on a dominant suspension, a dominant 7 suspension. It does not resolve. So even though the movie itself does sort of have a resolution, the song does not, and it should leave you unsettled. I think that is done purposely, just so you're aware. So as you play it and you hit that last chord, and if it leaves you feeling unsettled, it is meant to do so, which is kind of fun. So what we're going to do in this video is we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. And then I'll talk about one basic strum that you can use for the whole song. Now, as it was piano as the main instrument, and yeah, there's other instruments that appear in it. There's no ukulele in the original version, although there certainly could be the way that it's written. Now, before I go into the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, I also want to mention that if you want to support the channel here, there are 3 things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, so let's begin with the chords you need to play the song on soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele. I'll be using my Moe myrtle, made out of myrtle wood concert ukulele. First chord you'll need is a C chord, then an E minor chord. It's one of my favorite chords. I just say it's like a cascade. First finger goes on the first string, 2nd fret, and then they cascade down. You do not, on reentrant GCA ukulele, have to play the 4th string for that E minor chord. You can if you want to. Some of the books will show that chord. You can do that, but this works just fine. Then an F chord, an A minor chord, a D minor chord, and a G7 chord. So ultimately, a pretty good song for beginners, especially if you are working on the E minor or you're ready to add the E minor. All the other ones are pretty early basic chords on ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, on baritone DGBE ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele that has Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it, so I can tune it like a baritone. The first chord you'll need is a C chord. Then you'll need an E minor chord. Then you'll need the hardest chord for baritone, which is the F chord. Put your first finger across strings 1 and 2 right above the metal 1st fret and pull against the fretboard while you have your ukulele securely held against your body. That should give you most of the sound you need pulling against the fretboard. Add your thumb for some support, add 2 fingers. Then you'll need the A minor chord, then the D minor chord, and then finally the G7 chord. And those are the chords you need to play What Was I Made For on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now for strumming, I'm going to only give you one pattern, although there is a part at the end where you're just asked to play single strums. That happens, and there's actually one at the very, very end on a G7 with a single down arrow showing you to play a single strum. But the main technique I want you to use is something that comes from ukulele Mike Lynch. He passed away a few years ago, but he made a video talking about this method, and it's a strumming or a picking pattern. Now, can you strum this whole thing? Sure you could. As long as what you do fits with the song and fits with the tempo and you're playing the right chords, you're right. There was no ukulele in the original version. But if you want to sort of approximate what the piano is doing, this is what I would do. I would use your thumb, 1st finger, and 2nd finger. The thumb is going to play string 4. The 1st finger is going to play string 2. And the 2nd finger is going to play string 1. And you're going to pick all 3 at the same time. Of course, making like a C chord. Okay, like that. And then your thumb is going to play string 3 by itself, and you're going to alternate. And that'll work really well with the whole song. Is it a perfect replica of what the piano's doing? No, but this is not a piano. So I think that's what I would do. String 4, string 2, string 1, pick them together, and then play string 3. And that's going to work literally for the whole song. Now let me show you what that sounds like on baritone as well. Now baritone is generally a little different because it's generally tuned linear. So all the strings from the lowest on string 4 to the highest go in order from lowest to highest. On many ukuleles, we use reentrant tuning that comes from the rajao, which was one of the instruments that the ukulele is based off of. Anyway, at any point, this is a little different sometimes, and you can't always get away with the same picking patterns, but it does work. So again, string 4, string 2, string 1 with the thumb, first finger, second finger, like a claw, picking it up, and then playing string 3. Like that. 4, 2, 1, string 3. I'm picking a little hard on this instrument with the baby baritone strings that are a little looser feeling than normal ukulele strings. That's better. Just gotta adjust my fingers as I'm going there. All right, so with those chords and with that strumming along with some single strums where it tells you to do so in the video, and that's really all you need to do to play this wonderfully haunting, beautiful song, What Was I Made For, that comes out of the Barbie movie. So thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.